along with the standard form of a parabola that we discussed as y square is equal to 4ax, there are three other standard forms of a parabola. The second one being y square is equal to minus 4ax. Now y square is equal to plus 4ax was a parabola that was facing towards right. Y square is equal to minus 4x is a parabola that opens towards the left. This is how this is what y square is equal to minus 4ax looks like. This. If you see, the vertex for this parabola also is 0, 0. Focus becomes minus a, 0 because now the point focus is on the negative direction of x-axis. The directrix comes to the positive direction of x-axis and its equation becomes x is equal to a. What is the axis of this parabola? This line, x-axis is the axis of this parabola. And what is the directrix? This is the directrix whose equation is given by x is equal to a. What is the tangent at vertex? Y-axis is your tangent at vertex, whose equation we can very clearly see will be x is equal to 0 because it is y-axis. So this is your second standard form of parabola, which is given by y square is equal to minus 4ax. The third standard form is x square is equal to 4ay. X square is equal to 4ay is a parabola that opens upwards. Okay, and x square is equal to minus 4ay is a parabola that opens downwards. So x square is equal to 4ay is a parabola that faces upwards. If you look closely to this parabola, you can see that the vertex is again at 0, 0. The focus now is 0, a. This is your tangent at vertex, which is your x-axis, whose equation will be given by y is equal to 0, and the directrix becomes y is equal to minus a. This line, y-axis, is your axis of the parabola, whose equation will be given by x is equal to 0. This is your x square is equal to 4ay, which is the third standard form of a parabola. Coming to the fourth standard form of a parabola, this is given by x square is equal to minus 4ay. This parabola looks something like this. It faces downwards. The vertex is given by 0, 0. The focus is given by 0, minus a. The directrix is given by y is equal to a. The tangent at vertex will be your x-axis, whose equation is y is equal to 0. And your axis will be your y-axis, whose equation will be given by x is equal to 0. So these are the four standard forms of a parabola. The first being y square is equal to 4ax. Second being y square is equal to minus 4ax. Third being x square is equal to 4ay. And the fourth being x square is equal to minus 4ay. Now there is a small table that is basically the conclusion of all these four forms. For y square is equal to 4ax, the coordinates of the vertex are 0, 0. For y square is equal to minus 4ax, also the vertex is 0, 0. Similarly, for x square is equal to 4ay and x square is equal to minus 4ay. The coordinates of focus in the case of y square is equal to 4ax is a, 0. For y square is equal to minus 4ax, it is minus a, 0. For x square is equal to 4ay, it is 0, a. And for x square is equal to minus 4ay, it is 0, minus a. The equation of directrix for y square is equal to 4ax is x is equal to minus a. For y square is equal to minus 4x, it is x is equal to a. For x square is equal to 4ay, it is y is equal to minus a. And for x square is equal to minus 4ay, it is y is equal to a. The equation of axis for y square is equal to 4ax is y is equal to 0, which is your x-axis. Similarly, for y square is equal to minus 4ax, also it is y is equal to 0. For x square is equal to 4ay and x square is equal to minus 4ay, it is the y-axis, which is basically x is equal to 0. Coming to the next part, which is length of the latest rectum. The length of the latest rectum for any kind of parabola is always equal to 4a. So the length of latest rectum remains the same, which is 4a, where a can keep on changing for different parabolas. The equation of tangent at vertex for y square is equal to 4ax and y square is equal to minus 4ax is basically your y-axis, and the equation of y-axis is what? X is equal to 0. Similarly, for x square is equal to 4ay and x square is equal to minus 4ay, the tangent at vertex is your x-axis, and x-axis has its equation what? Y is equal to 0. So these are the tangent at vertex for x square is equal to 4ay and x square is equal to minus 4ay. Coming to the focal distance of a point, the focal distance of a point Pxy for y square is equal to 4ax is x plus a. for y square is equal to minus 4ax is a minus x. Now one thing that I can tell you over here is that if you take the modulus a plus mod x, then this is the focal distance of a point Pxy for a parabola's y square is equal to 4ax and y square is equal to minus 4ax. So instead of learning them as x plus a and a minus x, you can just remember one term which is a plus mod x. Now depending upon whether x is positive and negative, you can open the modulus sign. Coming to your x square is equal to 4ay and x square is equal to minus 4ay. For these two, your focal distance becomes a plus mod y. You can remember it as a plus mod y. Now depending upon the value of y as positive and negative, you can open the modulus sign and you will get y plus a and y a minus y. So these are the terminologies and the equations or the coordinates of the terminologies related to the 4 standard parabolas that we have done.